Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. Aquarius, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, guys. Aquarius, if you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So we picked these cards for your general energies, guys. We have clouds, tree and book. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are making lot of efforts, you are trying hard, you are trying to build a strong foundation. You want stability and you are responsible, dedicated to whatever you do. So you are making a lot of efforts and you are, seeing positive changes in your work situation. You are deepening your relationship. You are building that beautiful understanding between each other and you are nourishing this relationship, moving towards harmony, balance in this connection. And you both understand each other very well, guys. But I also see there are some things confusing you about this person, maybe in this relationship. You don't know about them or you are not clear about what are their likes or dislikes or their past, or there is some kind of confusion in your connection. Maybe you have not made up your mind yet whether you want this person, whether you want to move towards marriage or commitment. So you are still waiting, deciding, seeing where this relationship is moving, guys. So you are waiting for some firm belief or conviction on this person to unfold in your heart. But I also see that you both are trying to understand about each other. And maybe your confusion is not going to last long, guys. You are going to see clarity in your situation very soon. So you will come to clarity because I see that you will have a very good understanding of this person. So things are going to resolve. Maybe you were confused whether this person will like you, whether they are also interested in a committed relationship like you. So you will have a better understanding because you are going for that open heart communication, or they are coming towards you with open heart communication and they are telling you their secrets. So they are revealing their secrets or their past or whatever you wish to know about them, guys. So you may come to an understanding, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Clover. Such a good card, guys. It is a very lucky card. So something very lucky is going to happen. So maybe this person is accepting your proposal or they are just wishing that you accept their proposal. So you are seeing opportunity and luck working hand in hand and things are going to go in a very unexpected way for you. Maybe you were in doubt whether this person loves you, but here they come with a proposal. So something all of a sudden changing in your situation, just like a favorable twist of fate, guys. So something which you never expected. So you can be happy for that, guys. Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation? We have stars. So even in your career situation, again, it's a very positive card here. So whatever problems you are having, maybe guys, you are going to come out of it, and abundance beyond your wildest dreams is out there for you to grab today, guys, Aquarius. And you will feel guided, inspired, and you will feel really optimistic because of the way things are going in your career situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling, gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.